A biofuel is any liquid fuel derived from biological material such as tree, agricultural waste, crop or grass. Biofuel can be produced from any carbon sources like plant. They produce low carbon monoxide and toxic emission. Biofuels are made from plant or animal products. Some are produced by the extracting of sugar from crop and then fermenting it to make alcohol. Other biofuels are made by the decaying of organic matter and the capturing of the resultant gases. Biofuels are substitute for conventional fossil fuel such as oil, propane, coal and natural gases. Biofuel can reduce greenhouse gas emission. For example, by 2050, biofuels could reduce our greenhouse gas emission by 1.7 billion tons per year. But consequences of biofuels production are deforestation, for example, Brazil or Malaysia.
Why the biofuels are dangerous? At first, we could think that biofuels are an ecological solution, but in fact, growing these plants and then turning them requires a lot of energy. For example, for fertilizer, agricultural machinery, or transport, oil is often needed. It's estimated that 1 liter of conventional energy, usually non-renewable, is used to produce 3 liters of biofuel, and it happens that we spend more than we produce. This is why some specialists prefer to use the term agrofuel rather than biofuel, because it's not necessarily an environmentally friendly solution. For example, as in the case in Indonesia, Africa or in Brazil, clearing a tropical forest to plant biofuels causes the emission of all the carbon that is contained in trees and partly in the soil. As a result, Indonesia became the world's third largest emitter of greenhouse gases this summer, after China and the US.
The use of biofuel has two main advantages. Pollution decreases because the green fuel emits less carbon dioxide from other pollutants. A fuel that releases less CO2 is currently essential for the planet for survival on Earth. The other main advantage is the price. Conventional fuel is more expensive than biofuel. The use of this type of fuel therefore brings changes in the economic field of a country because it can create jobs and develop the agricultural sector. Vegetable oil and biomethane are easy to manufacture. The creation of sunflower oil, for example, causes many loss. First is waste of time. Losses are usually caused by weather events. Only a small part of the plant is exploitable, so its cultivation requires a larger area of land of sufficient yield. Obviously, the lack of surface to cultivate remains a big problem. If your goal is culture for the production of biofuel, the land surface is not enough.
As we said, biofuels have many advantages and disadvantages. For the moment, they have to be upgraded to be the future of a fuel consumption.